Manufacturing today is really going through a transition where each machine is getting smarter, and the processing required for those machines is actually moving to the machine itself so that the efficiency of the manufacturing process can be optimized to give a better bottom line basically for the operation.
There's always an economic factor to make manufacturing more efficient. From a cost perspective, not only the cost of the equipment that you have to run, but also its uptime, its reliability, its robustness, and effectively how quickly it can operate.
$800 billion a year was spent around the world maintaining factories. But a large portion of that, maybe $80 billion of it, is unnecessary. So by doing a better job of predicting when maintenance has to occur, you can reduce some of that $800 billion expense.
Within the integrated factory, by networking all of the equipment together, it's possible to reduce lag times and enhance the productivity of the factory.
In the past, the factories used central units for automation. So there was a central controller communicating with many different sensors and actuators on the factory floor. But that creates a bottleneck from a throughput standpoint.
Now the processing is moving towards the machine, and the machines are smarter, and the sensors are vastly being increased in number so that we can shorten the control loops and improve productivity of the manufacturing operation.
Industrial communications protocol have evolved tremendously over the last 15-20 years with the advent of industrial Ethernet.
As people are trying new protocols in their factories because they want to review production, they want to review energy usage and maintenance components of their factory from a centralized location. So they're collecting this information, and they need very robust networks to bring that information back, and robust protocols as well.
Maxim is able to combine the analog front-end solution with robust communications and protection IP, which factories always require because of their tough environmental conditions typically. And that maintains the robustness while providing a smarter solution to increase uptime and efficiency of factories.
And once you have networking, then what you have is the possibility of security. People hacking into the network and therefore creating havoc with the factory floors.
Industrial customers are realizing that software firewalls or physical gates are not enough to secure their industrial installation. There are many possible threats to the security of an industrial installation.
Maxim is taking expertise that we've applied to the financial transaction business for the past 15 or 20 years, and we're now applying that to factory automation.
Today the trend is towards more integrated solution, again because you can build a lot more sophisticated electronic circuits on a piece of silicon, and so that allows us to create and design very sophisticated electronic systems at a reduced size and cost point.
By offering very low power, very small, highly accurate solutions, we enable our customers to be able to create new equipment that they've never been able to create before.